Hello, everyone. This will be our first video on how multi-agents can help to analyze a company's customers. Tell me, what are your main questions?
Hi. I am exploring ways to improve our customer portfolio management. I've heard about artificial intelligence, but I'm not sure how it could help us.
I am glad to hear that you are considering AI. Today, customer portfolio management has evolved considerably. In the past, we relied on surveys and market research, which, while useful, had several limitations. The information tended to be static and outdated, and customer segmentation was very general. But with AI, we have moved to a much more dynamic and personalized approach.
I understand. We currently segment our customers by demographics and review their purchase history manually. How would an AI-based system benefit us?
Very good question. AI allows you to create microsegments based on actual customer behavior, not just demographics. For example, you can analyze buying patterns, social media interactions, and feedback to predict their needs and recommend products in a personalized way. In addition, predictive analytics can anticipate purchase intent or even detect customers who are at risk of abandoning the brand.
That sounds very interesting. However, our main concern is the lack of organization in our customer information. Could AI help us in that aspect?
That's an ideal mission for artificial intelligence. Many companies face organizational problems, which can lead to missed sales opportunities or dissatisfied customers. AI, together with a customer relationship management (CRM) system, centralizes and updates information in real time, facilitating access to key data and avoiding manual errors. This optimizes internal communication and improves customer relations.
Another challenge we face is after-sales follow-up. Many times, after closing a sale, we do not contact the customer again, and this affects customer loyalty.
This is a common problem. AI can automate reminders and generate automatic responses based on customer behavior. In addition, it can analyze customer sentiment on social media or satisfaction surveys to detect problems before they escalate and take corrective action.
Now I see that poor customer management could affect our revenues. Could you explain more about the financial impact of not optimizing our portfolio?
Of course, poor management can lead to customer churn, which directly impacts revenue. Poor management can lead to customer churn, which directly impacts revenue. In addition, the cost of attracting new customers is much higher than the cost of retaining them. It may also increase operating costs, for example, by having to allocate more resources to recovering dissatisfied customers or to collection efforts. Companies with a poorly managed portfolio tend to have less liquidity, which limits their capacity for investment and growth.
It is clear to me. But I still have doubts about AI implementation. Is it complicated? What are the first steps?
It doesn't have to be complicated if it is done progressively. The first thing is to define the objectives. Do you want to improve segmentation? Automate customer service? Then, you need to choose a suitable tool, such as a CRM with AI integration, or give your current CRM or ERP the potential to implement artificial intelligence. It is also key to train the team to take full advantage of the technology. Many companies start with chatbots or predictive analytics systems before expanding their use.
It seems like a reasonable approach to me. What are the main long-term benefits?
In the long term, AI optimizes operational efficiency, improves customer relationships, reduces costs, and increases profitability. In addition, it enables decisions based on data rather than intuition, which will give you a competitive advantage in the marketplace.
I am convinced. I think we need to start integrating AI into our customer management. What would I need to do to move forward with this?
Excellent decision. If you implement it correctly, you will see significant improvements in a short time. You can contact our expert, Antonio Fresco Navacerrada, via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and can clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve customer management.